Repair Terminal. Born masters in repairs of printer, plotter and laptop since 1997. We repair on discrete level, saving you cost and time. Repair Terminal believes nothing is UN-repairable. We repair LED display, vinyl cutting plotter, solvent ink plotter, shredders, lamination machines, digital camera, currency counting machine and laptop motherboards, reconditioning of toner cartridges. Sales of reconditioned and certified printers with warranty. Reconditioning and cleaning of your existing and old printer, laptop, photocopier machine, plotter and toner cartridge. Computer, printer and laptop spares available. Toner cartridge spares. Any brand and make, trust the professionals and experience the difference. Repair Terminal, first floor, Mahamaya Krupa Complex, above Bakeland Bakery, R Mohalla, Mysuru. Contact 95910098833.